Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. We're going to look at this pink Smith Corona Electric from probably 1965 or so. That's when they started putting motors in these. And we're just going to clean the case on this video. This machine is a total wreck, but we're going to rebuild it. I've already replaced the cord, which was, I don't know how bad a cord can be. But let me get my glasses on here so I can see. But look at this cord. It is so dangerous. Look at that sucker. Look at that. It was the worst cord I ever seen. It's just brittle. It just breaks. So I've already replaced the cord, because that was the most dangerous part right here. I've got another video, I'll put it in the description on how to replace the cord on these, but today we're just going to wash these covers. I'm just going to do a quick tutorial how to wash the covers. So I've already got every cover here unscrewed and off. This one flexes off like that. And panel back here too. We'll leave these on the machine. I'll probably clean these when they're on the machine still. They're kind of a pain to take off, so let's just move this out of the way. And we're going to start with these three pieces. And these are pretty dirty, pretty grungy looking. It's kind of hard to see the dirt on the camera, but it's there. It's dirty. Okay, so let's just start by spraying these down with my favorite chemical, Simple Green with a Simple Blue, just a different flavor they came out with. And we're just going to start by hitting these guys. Soap. I'm going to grab my intermediate brush here and just start brushing. Somebody's grunge will come off of these. I'm going to do this hopefully a couple times. Rinse this off. And let's take a towel here and just wipe this off real quick. We'll come back to that. A little more. Quick wipe off. We'll come back to that. Rinse off, look at that dirt. Come off of those. Wipe this off just briefly. Wipe this off briefly. Looking pretty good, this piece. I'm just going to wipe my mess up here. And repeat. So we're going to do it again. And then I'm going to show you my final. Well, I got a couple tricks here, so we're going to continue to hit this with the soap. Okay, so let's again wipe this piece off quickly. Since this is a lid, it's going to get a triple shot here. Let's clean this brush too. That grunge. Don't need to be adding any more dirt to this. Okay, so this one we're going to use a different towel, perfectly clean white towel, and my favorite chemical lacquer thinner. So let's we got this brush for the third time. And while it's still wet, I'm going to take my white rag, nice white fresh, and I'm going to put a little bit of lacquer thinner on here, just a coating right here, and that I'm going to do the final wipe down on this lid. See that? I got a little bit of, actually even took a little color off, which is okay. I'm going to fold that around and do it again right here. I'm going to hit other spots like the front here, and the sides, and those corners, and this back piece, and this side. That's going to do it. I'm going to blow that out with some air. Get my air out this mount here. Okay. Wipe that off. Wipe that off. Okay, it's looking pretty good. Okay, looks pretty good. Alright, so it didn't, it's mostly dirt here. This is fine. And that smooth corner was caved in a little bit, but you just got to push it back here. Push that plate in, and if it's really bad, you got to do something more serious. But here's our final treatment on this, which is some oil. So we're just going to spray this down here. And I'm going to brush it in with a brush I got over here somewhere. Where is my brush? Don't see it. There we go. Use this brush just for brushing in the oil. And I'm going to wipe it off one more time with a clean, dry spot here, right there. Hit that with air again. X this out of there. Alright, that's looking pretty good, actually. That's good. So we can do that to the rest of these two pieces. Again, we're just gonna that. Wipe my table off here. And again, I'm going to find a spot on this rag that I think is spotless right there. And I'm just going to do the same thing with the lacquer, just a little bit, right like that. And I'm going to wipe this one last time. Just use this for that. Yeah, decal's still good. Didn't affect anything there. This piece is looking good. Again, we're going to hit it with oil now. Dust down. Find a dry spot on the rag. Wipe off the excess. This piece was really bad, especially right here in the edges, but she's looking really good. Alright, those two pieces are done. This piece is not too bad. It's in the back anyhow. You can see a lot of it. Same drill. Like that. Wipe the dust off. Find my spot here and I've got a little bit of lacquer on there. Just a little bit. Just enough to give it a shot of. We'll do the inside of this back panel. It's pretty. Got some dirt on here. Belt off. Okay, let's touch this up one more time. All right, let's hit it. Brush it. And wipe it. Let these vents some air. Alright, last piece. It's the lid or the case. Alright. So, same drill. Let's just get this all the way. Bench here to get a little more force on it. Front piece is probably the grungiest. And we're going to hit that with my big rag here. Oh, wait. Oh. All right, one more time. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to wipe this one more time and triple do it. Seems like it deserves a triple clean job. And again, let's find our spot here, like right there, and like it there, just a little bit right there, and wipe that down. Find me a new spot, and a little bit for the front panel. Okay, and one more side. That's looking pretty good. All right, let's set this towel aside and take this one. Clean the inside here a little bit. With some air. Okay, you know what's coming last. Very good. All right. Finding me a sweet spot on the rag in the corner here, right there. Just gonna wipe this excess off and smooth it over. Looking pretty good. I have replacement washers already cut for this. All these washers are going to get replaced. These rubber washers already have those pre-cut, ready for reassembly. That's it. It actually came out pretty good. Let's see if we get some light in here. That's not bad. Actually, a little bit of mark there. Hit that with a, I'm going to try a little trick here. That little red mark right there. Try This is great action. A little bit of lacquer center. Yeah, it doesn't want to budge. That's going to have to stay. Not a very big mark. Yeah, looking pretty good though. Alright, that's how you clean one of these type of finishes. It all came out pretty good. That piece, the lid is looking good. Alright. Phoenix Typewriter, good day.